Hello everyone, Chinese Character Bible, Korean Hanja and Chinese Traditional and Simplified characters. We just started to go for 4,000 Chinese characters. Number 16 is this character meaning two. We are here now and we have learned these 15 characters one by one. Okay. This character is two strokes, one of the radicals. In Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional and simplified all same shape. It's a combination of two characters we have already learned. And in Korean language, we teach do e. Do means two. E means a Korean pronunciation of this character. In Chinese pronunciation, with pinyin and tone number on the vowel, R, R, it's tone number 4. The symbolic analysis and interpretation of this character, it means that the sky one and the earth one combined together and made two. Or the meaning of one wooden stick falling from top to bottom of one wooden stick, the other wooden stick, so forming two. Once again, it means that the sky and the earth as hidden meanings and of this character, E, it means that the sky one and the earth one combined together and made two. Also the meaning of one wooden stick falling from top to bottom, one wooden stick and forming two. Okay, so just like this, just like this. A wooden stick fell to the other wooden stick. Sky and earth. So the hidden meaning is sky and the earth. Hidden meaning is very important. Please try to remember. And the dictionary meaning, just two. But Beijing, in China, Beijing's dialect, it means stupid. I don't know why. Why Beijing people gave the meaning of stupid to this noble character, sky and earth. I don't know. Anyway, why this tone number 4 has the specific tone number 4, this character. The meaning of one wooden stick falling from top to bottom, one wooden stick forming two. A wooden stick fell down from up to bottom to the other stick. So from up to down, fell. Okay, so with these conceptual values, we can remember this character has tone number 4 value. Okay. Okay, what do you think about this interpretation? If you wish, you may learn the Korean Hanja and English and Chinese characters through Bible verses. This character reminds me of these Bible verses. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh. Yeah, two people, man and woman, got together and shall be one flesh. So two became one flesh. It's very mysterious and yeah, a wonderful concept, isn't it? Okay, thank you very much for your listening, and see you next time for another Chinese character. Thank you. See you next time.